Hi, I'm Jonquil Hackenberg. I was recently talking to a financial services company and they gave us the challenge of we need to hire 1,000 new digital people. And so they're looking for people who are tech savvy, potentially millennials who are good with social media. And they wanted to have this type of skill because they realised that's the type of audience they needed to reach in the market. Unfortunately, there aren't 1,000 digital talented people for every single organisation that wants to do this. So what struck me was, how do you actually reskill your existing talent and blend that with new talent coming in? So what we came up with was a digital operating model which allows you to be much more flexible and fluid in terms of the design of how your organisation works. And that means you can introduce new talent very easily and reskill your existing talent using tools such as Infosys Wingspan, which is all about reskilling different educational types.